hello. Good evening, my little ones, and good evening, dear parents. A very warm welcome on behalf of Mindseed Preschool and Daycare. So, are we all ready to start with our Sunday Storytime session? Yes? Now, before we start the story, I want to quickly share something with all of you. Before I tell you what is the name of the story, who are the characters in the story, I'm going to share today what is my favorite season. Yes, and I want all of you to share your favorite season as well. And that is something that I want to know. Which is your favorite season? Any guesses which are mine? Yes, which one do I like the most? Summer season, rainy season, winters. I love rainy season. I love the rains. It's just amazing, isn't it? And all the fun things that you can do when it rains. I mean, I enjoy having a nice hot cup of tea or coffee when it's raining outside. Or as a child, I'll tell you, when I was a small girl, when I was a little girl, I would just wait for my mama and papa to get an umbrella for me or probably, raincoat for me. Yes, mamas, papas, do you remember when you were in school, what would you do? I remember going to school, and I remember the first day of my school. One of the things that would really, really excite me would be buying a raincoat. Yes, buying a raincoat. I would love that. I would want to wear it even if it doesn't rain. I would want to wear that new raincoat and the smell of the raincoat. I would love that. Have you done that? Do you enjoy going out in the rains or do you not? Do write to me. Yes, I would love to know which is your favorite season. So, coming to today's story is about rainy season and it is about this little boy and his name is Manu. What is his name? His name is Manu. And this story is about Manu's red raincoat. So the name of the story is The Red Raincoat. Do you want to see his raincoat? Before we meet Manu, let's see his raincoat. Okay, secret. Ta-da! Look at this amazing, lovely red color raincoat with these amazing yellow buttons here. Lovely, isn't it? Yes? Now, raincoat is something for my little ones who haven't seen a raincoat. Raincoat is something that you wear while you, in case you have to go out in the rains for some reason, or if you just want to go and have fun, you should wear this raincoat or take an umbrella so that you don't get wet, right? So Manu was really excited about his red raincoat. So should we meet Manu? I'm going to call Manu very soon. Say hello to Manu. Hi Manu. How are you? Doesn't he look very excited? Look at his eyes like popping out and he has a smile on his face. And Manu's very, very excited and really, really very, very happy about his red raincoat. And do you know who got his red raincoat? Of course. His red raincoat was bought by his mama. His mama and papa made a list of things that they had to buy just before Manu started going to school. And of course, because it was rainy season also. So I'm yet to buy my umbrella. I hope you guys have bought your umbrellas and raincoats. So that's what he did. He told his mama papa that mama papa, I want a raincoat. That's what I want. And as soon as he told mama and papa that he wanted a raincoat, they said yes, of course. It's June, the rains have started, you might have to go out. So let's buy a raincoat. And Manu was very, very, very sure that he wanted a red color raincoat. So mama and papa bought him his red raincoat. Now, I don't know if you do this or not, but when I, as a child, not now, but when I was a child, when I was a little girl, whenever my mama and papa bought something new, I would want to use it immediately. It's like, if you get a new toy, I want to play right now. Or if mama gets a new dress, you want to wear that dress immediately. The same way, Manu was all set and Manu wanted to wear his red raincoat. And it was a Sunday, and on Sunday, his mama and papa got him the red raincoat. And he looked at his mama and he said, wow, mama, thank you so, so much. You should thank your mama and papa when they get you something, right? So he thanked mama and papa and he said, thank you so much for getting me the red raincoat. And he was really excited. And he was like, can I wear my red raincoat, please, 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 mama. He said like, please 3 times. But mama was very sure. Mama said, sweetheart. And he got this on a Sunday, right? Mama said, look outside. It doesn't look like it's going to rain today. So I'm sorry, sweetheart. You can't wear your raincoat today. But it's going to rain soon. So let's keep it inside for now. Poor Manu. He was really very excited about his red raincoat. But he said, okay, Mama was right. He looked outside and it was sunny. No dark clouds, no rains. So he took his red raincoat and he folded it nicely and he went and kept it inside the cupboard. And he went off to bed because it was night time after evening. The next day morning, which is Monday. What comes after Sunday? Monday. So he got up on Monday and he was like all excited and he was like, yes, 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 today I'm going to wear my red raincoat. And he went running to his mama and he said, Mama, is it going to rain today? Will it rain today? I want to wear my red raincoat. He was really excited. He wanted to wear his red raincoat. And what did Mama say? Mama said, why don't you look outside? And they both looked out of the window and Mama was like, it looks like there's one white cloud in the sky. And I think it's not going to rain today. Sorry, Manu. And Manu was sad that it wasn't raining and he couldn't wear his red raincoat. But like a nice child, he folded his red raincoat, kept it inside the cupboard and he went out to play. Yes, he went ahead and he played with his friends. The day got over, he went to bed. The next day, after Monday, what comes after Monday? Correct, Tuesday. So on Tuesday, he got up all excited and he was like, today it is going to rain. He was very, very positive. He was very, very sure that it's going to rain. So he went running to Mama after he got up and he brushed his teeth and took a bath and he said, Mama, is it going to rain today? Am I going to get to wear my red raincoat today? And Mama looked out in the sky and she said, sweetheart, the sky is all blue. I'm not very sure if it's going to rain today, but let's see. So what did Mama say? Let's see, because the sky was still blue. So poor Manu again kept his red raincoat back and he went to, do his activities and play. And the day got over and he went to bed. And then the next day morning, so Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and then after Tuesday, what comes? You guys know now, by now. Exactly, Wednesday. He got up again on Wednesday, all excited. And he was like, I am going to wear my red raincoat today. And he rushed and he opened his cupboard and he removed his red raincoat and he ran to Mama and he asked Mama, Mama, can I wear my red raincoat today? Is it going to rain today? Tell me it's going to rain today. I'm sure it's going to rain today. I'm definitely sure it's going to rain today. And he started wiping his... Yeah, he was sweating. It was so hot. And his mama told him that, sweetheart, it's really hot today. I'm not very sure it's going to rain. I mean, if you look outside, the sky is clear. I can't see any dark, black, grey clouds. I doubt if it will rain today. Poor Manu. Now, I'm also feeling bad for Manu. Let's all hope that it really rains very, very quickly for him. Okay? Alright? So he finished his day. It was really hot. He finished the day. He went to bed and Wednesday was done. And the next day morning, which was a Thursday, because after Wednesday we have Thursday. So Thursday, he was supposed to go for a picnic with all his friends. Yes, he was supposed to go on a small little picnic in a garden. So he was any which ways very, very excited about the picnic. So he got up all excited and he went, he rushed, he brushed his teeth, he took a bath, he wore nice fresh clothes and he rushed to Mama and he said, Mama, today I'm going for a picnic. And I think it's going to rain today. So should I carry my raincoat for the picnic? What if it rains there? What will I do? And he was really, really excited. But Mama told him that, sweetheart, I'm really sorry. But if you look outside and look out of the window, and you guys can also look for him, at least on that Thursday it was not raining. And it didn't look like it was going to rain because there were lots of white clouds in the sky. There were like these small, small white clouds and, blue sky with white clouds. And she said, I'm sorry, sweetheart. Have fun while you're going for the picnic. Stay safe. Don't forget to remove, all the things that you need to remove and keep to take for your picnic: sanitizer, mask, gloves. But just be careful. But what to do? I don't think it's going to rain today. I don't think you'll need your red raincoat. Hmm. Poor Manu. He felt sad and he went and he packed his bag and he took his, tissues and his snacks and his water and his sanitizer and his mask and all of that. But he couldn't take his raincoat and he went. He went for his picnic. He was happy. He had fun. But he couldn't wear his raincoat. And till you don't really use that new thing, you always have that in your head. And he still had that red raincoat in his head. He came back from his picnic really tired and he went and he slept. He just went and crashed and he was like, I'm so tired. And he went and slept. The next day, after Thursday, was Friday and Manu got up, still excited. Still, he had decided that no, it is going to rain very, very soon. He kept hoping that it's going to rain very soon. And when he got up on Friday, he was actually very happy because before Mama could tell him look out of the window, he ran in. The first thing he did was he looked out of the window. And you know what he saw? He saw lots and lots of grey clouds passing by. Black, dark, grey clouds passing by, and he was like really, really, he was excited and he went and he rushed and he told Mama that, Mama, I can see some grey clouds. Yay, it looks like it's going to rain. And Mama also looked out of the window and she said, yes, I think you're right, Manu. I think it might rain today. Maybe after afternoon. It might rain later during the day, afternoon, evening. Let's hope. Let's keep our fingers crossed. Let's hope that it rains and you're able to wear your raincoat. And poor Manu, he was really excited and hoping that, okay, it will rain, it will rain. And the whole Friday went by and it was quite dark, but it didn't really rain. But he was still very happy that he could see some grey, black clouds in the sky. So he was happy, right? I mean, he started hoping from Sunday and today is Friday and he's still hoping, right? So let's hope that Manu gets what he wants. Yes? And Manu went to bed. After Friday, Saturday, Manu got up. And as soon as Manu got up, he could hear something by the window. He could hear pitter patter sound and he was excited and he got out of bed and he just jumped out of his bed. He went, didn't forget to brush, huh? He brushed and he took his bath and he went and he told his mama, Mama, it is raining, isn't it? And Mama had a big smile on her face and she said, yes, sweetheart. And by the time Mama said yes, there was suddenly a loud sound from outside, like drum, drum. And Manu looked out of the window and he could hear thunder and he could hear the rain. And he was so excited because it had started raining. I don't know if it's happened to you, it's happened with me, that he just ran out of his house to go in the rains and get wet. He ran out and he started running here and there in the garden in the rains. And Mama had to call out from the window, and Mama was like, Manu, you forgot your red raincoat. So he was so excited that it had started raining that Manu actually forgot to wear his red raincoat. He was just very happy that it had started raining. He went and got wet. And then, after Mama reminded him about the red raincoat, finally the red raincoat came out of his cupboard, his wardrobe. He could wear it. Manu had a big smile on his face, just like he has right now. And he enjoyed the rain. But yeah, he went ahead and he wore his red raincoat. Okay, so that was the story of Manu, and that was the story of the red raincoat. I hope you guys enjoyed the story. I keep adding things to the story. Yes, so when you read the book, or if you get a chance to read the book, you should get your hands on the book. By the way, it's really amazing. It's a lovely, sweet, short story about Manu and his red raincoat. Yes, so keep enjoying the rains. Have fun. Buy an umbrella, raincoat, gumboots, whatever you like. And yes, stay safe, stay healthy, as far as possible stay inside, and if you have to go out in the rains, or if you have to go out somewhere for some reason, don't forget to wear your mask, and of course don't forget to carry your umbrella or raincoat. Yes, with that I can come to the end of today's story. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed narrating it. Yes, do write into me and let me know if there's any particular story you want me to narrate for your little one. I would be more than happy to do that. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I'll see you guys very soon next Sunday. Until then, take care. Bye bye.